I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bricksforge as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and then fill out the Bricksforge form to trigger the data fetch. The form has been submitted successfully. Now return to your integration site and check the response. Here you can see that Bricksforge has successfully fetched the data. Set action. Now here search and select GiveWP. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. Click on Connect. Successfully connected with GiveWP. Click Next. Choose an action from the drop-down. I am selecting Create a Donor. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GiveWP. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now navigate to the GiveWP dashboard. Go to the donors list. Here is the data that came into GiveWP through the integration. Thanks for watching.